Are you ready? I feel like some think they are buying luxury in Nigeria, but they are buying from this website and reselling to them. Like, how would they know for real? How would they know? We're trying to manifest the $1 billion mindset, but the $1 billion I've not yet entered yet. This website is a lifesaver. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lydia Stanley, fondly called Mrs. M. And if you're not new, thank you so much, Butterfly, for coming back to my channel today, okay? In today's video, it's going to be an amazing one. As usual, I always bring you quality. And this video is one of those ones where I teach you how to be bougie, okay? But without the bougie price tag. Because I heard some of these bags be going for as high as $50,000. Even higher. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a bag company I love so much because this is my second or third bag from them. They're called Winnbags. When I show you this bag, you understand my obsession with it because it is so cute. It's one of those bags that you need in your collection, not as an all-important bag, but as one of those like important statement pieces that you need to have. Let me stop yapping so much. If you like to see the bag I have for you in store today, keep on watching, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. All the links will be in the description box. The link to this exact bag, the links to their website in case you want to shop anything else, because they have a lot on their website. They have jewelry, they have eyeglasses, they have shoes, they have heels. For all of you that your leg is small because they will not be having my size 43 feet, 42 feet. I don't know what I did to them. Fellow tall girls, you can relate. But if your feet is like tiny, you would love it. You would enjoy it, okay? They have a lot of heels that are so beautiful. They have bags for days. Bags that are well crafted and well made. Like, how would they know for real? How would they know? Now to the bag, okay? Where is it? Are you ready? 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 So this is the bag. This is the box it comes with. It's a Chanel bag. It's a Chanel bag, and they have a bunch of bags on their website that are honestly so beautiful. I don't even know the right words to use, but just beautiful. This bag. Right now, before commenting, if you've not, I can't say if you've not seen because you've seen the intro. But from saying this, what do you think I got? Just in case you did not see the intro and you did not see the thumbnail. Oh, this is so beautiful. Are you ready? I'm coming. I'm trying to get it out in a cute way for you because when I got it, I was so excited. So excited. So this is the bag, and are you ready? Are you seeing this gorgeousness though? Are you seeing this beauty? Oh, she's so beautiful, isn't she? She's so beautiful. This is the Chanel bag I got from Winnbags. I have a Dior if I hadn't mentioned, but this is just so beautiful. Look at the craftsmanship. Baby, this is so beautiful. Wow. Winnbags. They're not joking. They are not joking. It has a really nice heft to it as well. It is so beautiful. Winnbags is family over here, so you know that I'm bringing you quality. Look at the back pocket. Let's just open this up. Wow, I'm just in more awe. You know, I didn't really look at it seriously because I was rushing to come and show you. It's so beautiful. Wow. Wow. Oh, there's even a certificate in here. There is a certificate in here. Or a card, I think. Like my other Chanel bag actually has this card. It's like just authentication in case you need it. And like, I think this is care. How to care for it. But that is so nice. Nothing else is in here. It is so beautiful. So well made. Like I am so in awe. I know that they make such good um bags, but then holding it in my hand every time just makes me wow all the time. This will contain my DJI camera so nicely, and I've no need to worry about anything if I'm going for like my events. Is that one bag that is a ride or die. I love the glossy finish. I have just one other glossy finish bag, and it's a Dior bag, so and it's not black. You just see this exponentially increasing every look I rock it with. I see myself wearing this with like jeans. I see myself wearing this in a more corporate setting. How would you style this? I see myself wearing this with heels with a really sweet short black dress, or a very more like glam dress, like you know those types that have the corset. Style this bag for me actually. Maybe if your styling makes sense, I would use your styling for it. Like if you watch my vlogs, you know the clothes I have. I am those ones that wear one cloth once, so I invest in my bags. That's why I got this one from Wingbags. I love it. I love it. I'm going to get way more bags from them. Way more. And if you're someone like me, we're trying to manifest the $1 billion mindset. But the $1 billion I've not yet entered yet. This website is a lifesaver. And quote me anywhere. I feel like some think they are buying luxury in Nigeria, but they are buying from this website and reselling to them. Because you see, it came with all the certificates, it came with all the cards, it came with all the documentation you need. So how would you know? How would you know? So many of y'all celebs, you guys don't know that they either are falling victim because they do not know and they are still paying full price for this kind of bags because it's such an amazing, you cannot tell, or they are oblivious and or they know what's up and someone is buying it for them and they're fronting like it's the real 50,000 naira bag. Does that make sense? But this is so beautiful. Let me know what you think of my new baby. Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she a beauty? She is so beautiful. Wow. I'm in love. I'm in love. Check out Winbags for sure. For sure, check them out. I'm going to have all their links in the description box. Okay, I highly recommend. I highly, this is not even a question. Can you see that craftsmanship? Check the links in my description if you want to get you this exact bag. I would have it linked as well. And that completes my new bag I'm showing you today. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. Tell me how you would style this bag. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.